after around 30 minutes, we are finally done with the Titanic. Sort of. There's a little few scuffs, especially around the flag. There's a weird part that I kind of cut off right here. I don't like these ropes. I tried putting them back, but if you pay attention in the earlier part of the video, they kind of got fucked up, and the strain on them kind of broke everything. They kind of just sitting there. But hey, you know, I got rid of this by smashing it into the wall over here, and then I took off the very end of that little flag right there, and then flag's gone. Okay, well, it's kind of awkward, but now it's back. Yeah, that's it, pretty much, for now. It's all good. We actually go back here, so it's not so bad. Oh, okay, relax. So, yeah, it works. I don't know what that button does. And now, not really sure how I actually detonate them. Oh, uh-oh. Oh. Keep going. Come on, don't stop. Yeah. Then we got bigger problems, man. Well, oh, but we need to go off. Come on. Well, we can't figure out. Well, 30 minutes of work. Yeah. Not feeling much better.